Hey traders, let's have a quick update and a new analysis on Euro USD from a multi-time frame analysis point of view. So if we have a look at the market structure and the market trend, it is quite clear that the market is now rejecting this trend line that we have on the monthly time frame. This is why that the market is giving us a push to the downside. As you can see many times before, when the market will reach the trend line, it made a very nice big push to the downside. Okay, you can see it hit here once and it took over here once and very nice pushes to the downside. So obviously the market is respecting this trend line many times before, and we expected the market to respect this trend line as well on the monthly time frame. So on the monthly time frame, it is quite clear that the market is now making a push to the downside, and we can expect the market to at least reach this area over here. We expect the market to reach this area around here before we have any sort of push to the upside. Now, in the next few minutes, I will show you guys how to enter this trade and how to trade this pair with low risk and high reward possibility. Let's go down to the 1 week time frame and we look at the 1 week time frame structure. Now you can see quite clearly that the market had created a very similar setting over here as it did on this side over here. You can see that the market created this impulse to the upside. It then failed to break and make a higher high, which means that there is a lot of sell pressure in the area. You can see it's very similar and very clear price action on the same time. So now that the market has made basically started a push to the downside, we cannot straight away start selling this pair right here. We need to wait and be patient for the market to come back to us. Once the market will come back to us on the daily time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, we'll be waiting for a good selling opportunity and a good risk reward. Let's look at the daily time frame and let's check out what kind of price action we have on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it's quite clear that there is a strong area of previous support here that has been broken. So what can we expect? Once the market has basically broken a support area, we expect the market now to come up and retest that support area for the further continuation to the downside, completing the impulse correction and impulse setting. So on the daily time frame, if you would like to trade this pair, it is quite simple for an entry. What we need to do and what we need to be waiting for is we need to wait for the market to actually come back up again to this area, previous support now turn resistance, and then further continuation to the downside. What you have to be careful of as well, guys, is that if the market will come down to this area here, you must understand that there is a strong area of previous resistance here, previous support here. So when the market will reach to this area, we will definitely find some support, and this will be where we would set our TP1. Okay, so on the 4 hour time frame, when the market will come into this area over here, on the 4 hour time frame, we'll be looking for a selling opportunity to take this pair to the downside with a very good risk reward and also a completion of the M formation that the market has created. After an M formation, the market will actually is an overextended M formation. What we expect is the market to come up again, retest close to the neckline, and then further continuation back to the downside. I hope that this video was very educational for you guys, and if it was educational, don't forget to hit the like button, because if you guys give me more likes, comments and subscribers, I will upload much more free education and analysis for you guys. Thank you very much for your support, and I will see you guys in the next analysis.